For years, India's internet story was about access, getting more people online and closing the digital divide. But that phase, viewers, has worked, and now India is entering a new chapter. Welcome to Perspectives. Today we'll break down how India's internet is shifting from access to capturing attention. Country's internet user base has crossed 915 million, and growth is slowing in urban markets where penetration is already high. So the real question is no longer how many people are online, it's how deeply they engage. Now, according to Nielsen, India's digital economy is shifting from access to engagement, from simply being online to spending more time, attention and activity online. And that shift, viewers, is visible everywhere. Video consumption is rising fast, short form content is dominating user time. Regional language content is expanding reach beyond metro cities. The internet is no longer just a utility, but it is becoming a primary medium for entertainment, information, and commerce. At the same time, the risks are growing too. India's digital infrastructure now powers everything from payments and identity to healthcare and logistics. And globally, cybercrime is projected to cost over $10 trillion annually, making it one of the biggest economic threats in the world. So the challenge is no longer just building access, it's protecting and shaping engagement at machine speed. And this is where the internet economy changes. Platforms are no longer competing to bring users online. They're competing to hold their attention through watch time, return visits, and deeper interaction. But attention is limited and it's becoming more fragmented across apps, social media, messaging, video, and shopping. That makes user retention harder and competition sharper. And this shift also changes the balance of power, from infrastructure to platforms and from connectivity to influence. And in this very ecosystem, viewers, understanding user behavior is the biggest advantage. You see, urban India is nearing saturation while rural India still offers the next wave of growth. But that growth will look very different with shared access, lower spending power, and distinct usage patterns. So India's internet revolution is no longer about expansion alone, it's about depth, time spent, content consumed, and attention captured. Because in a 915 million user internet, scale is no longer enough. The winners will be the platforms that understand behavior, adapt in real time, and turn attention into lasting influence. Keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. This is Arushi Mishra.